Welcome to a powerful self-love, self-respect meditation practice. By drawing our attention to our innermost self, we find our source of inner peace and acceptance. Stressful thoughts gently diminish as we gain the peace required to move forward with grace. If we do not allow the natural love for ourselves to be expressed, love does not reveal its beauty very often throughout each day of our lives. Let's make sure we're in a comfortable position and we will not be disturbed for the duration of this session. Keep your eyes open for now and focus your gaze on one spot in the room. Let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle into this comfortable position. If you're lying down, feel the connection between the back of your body and the ground below you. If you're seated, lengthen up through your spine and broaden through your collarbones. Let your hands rest on your thighs, palms facing up if you would like to receive, or palms facing down if you'd like to process what's already within. Once you're settled, close your eyes, tune into your breath, and follow the inflow and outflow of your breath. Take the very first action in self-love right now. Your ability to breathe at will, and in all different kinds of ways. Our breath has been there literally our entire lives. Changing is needed to the demands of exciting circumstances and flowing effortlessly when we are resting. Taking multiple full and deep breaths every day is proven to change your bodies and minds for the better. Take in 5 full and deep breaths, holding it for a moment at the top and naturally exhaling. Inhale a nice deep breath, expanding your belly and lungs as much as you can. Hold it. And exhale gently, releasing. Inhaling fresh oxygen, deep breath in. Holding it, soaking it in. And exhaling without any effort. Again, inhaling, feeling rejuvenated and invigorated by this breathing. Hold it. And exhaling easily. Again, inhaling, noticing how breathing fully comes naturally to you. Pausing, soaking it in, and exhale any tension, any worry. And finally, again, inhaling fully as an act of self-love, pausing to feel this love, and exhale into complete relaxation. Let your breath flow at pace without any effort from you now. Good. By doing this, you're proving you're capable of self-love. Deep breathing increases the supply of oxygen to your brain and stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, sometimes referred to as the rest and digest system. By breathing deeply and often, you are commanding your body to rest, which relaxes and rejuvenates you. This is self-love in its simplest form, and anyone can do it any time of day. Now, let's honor ourselves by relaxing the mind even further. Notice how your thoughts are rising in your mind, one after the other. See them come, see them go. Some thoughts linger for some time, and some thoughts only come for a split second. If you can really focus, you'll notice even small thoughts, such as describing the world around you or labeling the things in your surroundings. Let your hearing become super alert now and try to focus on the sounds around you. Maybe you can hear the sound of your breath. Can you hear nature nearby? Or perhaps cars passing by, or people talking to each other. Just go from sound to sound focusing on one at a time. Now stop focusing on any sound in particular and just allow all the noises around you to come in equally. And when you hear them, they almost act as tiny waves of relaxation, calming your mind. Your mind relaxes, you activate your senses on command. Let's use this power of your amazing visualization abilities to induce self-love. Begin to imagine yourself full of abundance, full of self-love. See yourself now choosing healthy foods, cooking at home, so you know all the ingredients you're putting into your body. Vividly see yourself eating well. And when you eat well, see yourself enjoying these moments. And you feel the nutrition that these choices bring you. Imagine now you have a strong will to avoid junk food and unhealthy drinks. See yourself in great detail, confidently saying no to all of these things. You are very proud now when you avoid eating something unhealthy. Eating healthy is an essential component to self-love. Another form of self-love is observing your mental chatter. In order to have great self-love, you must expand the good things you feel about yourself and challenge any negative thoughts as soon as they arise. So hear yourself saying, when I fully love myself, I am able to fully love others. Deciding to love myself is a wonderful agreement. Each day, I allow my love for myself to grow more and more. I am worthy of love, and I honor the joy that comes with it. Deciding to love myself unconditionally, no matter what happens, feels wonderful. I deserve love and self-respect. My self-esteem grows along with my self-love as I accept everything about myself today, completely. Today, I love myself even more than yesterday. Truly loving myself is easy for me. The more I love myself, the better my health. I love every moment of my existence, every part of me that makes me who I am encompassed with love. I have unconditional love within me that overflows in abundance to those around me. Great. Now gently open your eyes, take a fresh breath, and know whenever you love yourself, you will always find love. Thank you.